Dill, Latin, Anethum graveolens, a herbaceous annual plant commonly used as a culinary herb. It is a carrot family member and native to southern Russia, western Africa, and the Mediterranean region. Dill typically grows 2 to 4 feet tall and features feathery, blue-green leaves. The stems are slender and hollow, and the plant produces small, yellow flowers in umbrella-like clusters in the summer. The plant has a mild, fresh fragrance often used to flavor dishes. Dill prefers to grow in well-draining, consistently moist soil. It does best in full sun or partial shade. To encourage growth, it's important to fertilize the plant with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season. It's also important to watch for pests, such as aphids or caterpillars, which can damage the plant. Dill can be grown from seeds or transplants. It can be planted in the spring once the soil has warmed up and the danger of frost has passed. To plant, choose a location that receives full sun or partial shade and has well-draining soil. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space them about 12 inches apart. Once the plants have germinated, thin them to about 18 inches apart. Dill is hardy in USDA planting zones 3 to 10. The leaves and seeds of the dill plant are edible and delicious in cooking. The leaves can be harvested as needed throughout the growing season and used fresh or dried. To harvest the seeds, allow the flowers to dry on the plant, cut the entire flower head and place it in a paper bag. Hang the bag upside down in a warm, dry location for several days until the seeds have dropped off the flower head.